Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter Sherry.
From Sherry's Coffee Break.
And Megan, my granddaughter.
From Blue Sky.
And we're having a party, a Pampered Chef Party. This is my first party, and welcome to everyone who's come. First thing that I went and did was decide on my recipe. Then I had to go out and get the ingredients of my recipe. The first thing we're going to do is chop up this chicken, which I went ahead and purchased this morning while I was at the store. And that's one of those
Rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie chickens.
Fully cooked.
Fully cooked.
Oh, hey, look at the mat. It is a Pampered Chef hands-on portions. So we're going to prepare the chicken on the mat.
Yeah, I got that a couple parties ago.
Just one?
No, it comes in a 3-set. You can look at them over there if you want to bring them over here.
All right. So another one, it's green. It's called Prep It Up. And it shows you the different ways for cutting julienne. This one is fine julienne. This is large dice, medium dice, and small dice. And it has a centimeter ruler at the bottom and the inches.
So now that I'm looking at it, that's the actual size. So
oh, this is inches at the bottom.
But you put your product on the top.
Well,
so that would be a
centimeters,
large.
too.
See, I didn't notice that they were. That's like a real thin strip. That's a thicker
Uh-huh.
strip. Okay.
And then the other one is blue. And it says, let's get chopping. I guess it has the different kinds of knives. Now, I'm not good at reading it sideways backwards, so...
You have your paring knife.
What does that say? Well,
Santoki.
Santoku? Tomato, bread, utility, chef, and paring. Those are all different sizes of the knives. And this one has inches at the top, and I think centimeters at the bottom. Yeah. So you have a ruler too. So that's kind of neat, and it tells you the first one was versatile. It's for dicing, slicing, and mincing, but it tells you what every knife does.
And what product are we going to be testing today and demonstrating?
We're going to be using the manual food processor, and it looks like this. The lid comes off. My hand's not big enough to take it. It's in 3 pieces, and then you have your blade, which is very sharp, so always be careful with the blade. And it also has, which I don't know if you can see, maybe you can. It has measuring right down here, the cups, milliliters. Okay, and then this also has a little feature on it right here. So this is actually locked in place when you release it, which is pulling it forward. Then this pops up, and that's the handle that makes this turn, which is this is what goes into the blade. So let me demonstrate it here.
Say it goes in. I was going to show where it goes in. This little piece right here, when you hold it up here, this piece goes in this little hole and it spins the blade.
So before we put anything in it, let's...
Is it down, I guess?
Nope, there you go.
You have to hold it up though to spin it if you're going to...
So you can see the blade going around, and this is really easy to pump. So it's not, you're not putting any effort to push that handle down. And I like the feature that it has this little lock on it right there, so that handle is not sticking up. It's easier to store this way. Another advantage of this that I like, I owned a electric one, and so I was always trying to find the cord to the darn thing, because you never end up putting anything together, it seems like to me anyway. You put your cord one way in a drawer with a whole bunch of cords or whatever, but every time you're looking for it, you can't find it, because you wouldn't want to put your cord inside of here with the blades, because it would rip your cord up. So that's another advantage of the manual one. Go ahead and get the food prepped, then I'll have it laid out here on the table, and then we will try this out and I'll show it and we'll see how it works. Everybody agreed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
What are you making?
We're gonna make chicken salad.
Oh, okay.
Cool. All right. Oh, before we go, let's tell everyone so that they know, if you would like to book a party, I was told you will get, as a hostess now, because that's what I am, you get free products, you'll get things at half price, and you will also get hostess specials. Also, another thing is that you will get, your booking earns free products and huge discounts, and then 10% off of any order for the entire year. Now, if you're not interested in the party and you're not interested in any of the products, that's fine. Go ahead and watch the video. You can tell your friends, your family, or whoever, because maybe they don't know anything about this and they are interested in it. So just pass on the information. I'm not trying to force anybody to buy anything. We're just having fun today, okay? I'll be right back. I should have wore gloves. I now know I have a cut on my thumb that I forgot about.
We're definitely editing the sound on this. Nobody.
All right, so everything is prepped. You see all the food? Let's go ahead and we're going to put the chicken in first.
Go ahead. I want to do the eggs.
Okay. And we can always add to it because it's not doesn't look like
Right,
it's
that's
going
why
to
I
be.
put a little bit at a
Right.
time.
Well, let's just
Are you
put,
putting all the chicken in there?
well, how's that for starters?
Yeah, that's a
Okay,
lot. I,
put in a
just,
couple
There's a
chicken.
piece in the middle.
I get the piece in the middle.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
go ahead. I know you don't want to touch it. Just
Can
the
I put the
onions.
onion?
Put the egg in.
Yep, put one egg in.
Okay.
And there she goes.
Shall we go ahead and?
Put some relish in.
No, wait a minute. Let's pump it. Let's try it out.
All right, hold on. All right, lid is on.
Yep, ready?
I think it's too much there.
Nope, it's not
No,
too
it's
much.
cutting up there. I just don't know how fast. I mean, it's not like you're blending water. You're actually chopping food, but it gets easier the few more times I do it
See the egg
because you're.
chopping it all.
Well, you're supposed to do it separate.
I don't know. Lift it up. We cut the egg in half.
No, I meant put the egg in second. Like have a bowl and.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, well you're doing something to the egg because it's like a little cut marks on it, but you're not doing anything else. We'll continue with the chicken.
Okay, I'll get mine.
How fine do you want the chicken?
Well, I don't want to liquefy. That's good.
Well,
Here, cut you an egg. That looks good. Cut
The
an egg.
onion looks a little thick in there, though, doesn't it?
Well, give it time. We just
Okay.
started.
Okay.
all right, egg.
Okay. We can put a little
Processing.
you can put some mayonnaise in it. You can put a little bit of relish in it to get it wet. She wants to do it.
I just want to do the relish.
Okay.
Well, I had her bring out the other spoon to slide the relish off, so you don't
Okay,
have to
we
use
can
your
do
finger.
that.
Although I use my finger for the egg.
You
I
can
can
put a
just
little
do
more than
that.
that. Okay, you can do that too.
Okay.
Do the mayo. On the other side. That good?
She doesn't like a lot of mayonnaise in hers.
Okay, let's
I'm
okay
try
with
it out.
All right.
And then pump it a little faster if you can. Okay, I think Megan wants to give it a try too.
What was that?
Megan. You think it needs more liquid?
Yes.
Okay, we can put more.
The egg is not going anywhere though.
There's a piece of it missing there.
It's going round and round and.
All right, leave it like it is though. Put some more mayonnaise in it.
Okay.
Let me have this here. Okay. I mean, I figured the egg wasn't that hard, so I wasn't thinking in terms of cutting it up much, but maybe it needs to be.
Juicy,
Okay,
juicy.
try it out.
You putting the egg back in it or no?
No, I didn't take an egg out. Leave the egg that's in there.
Okay.
And then-
That's what I was asking him.
And let me know if you need more mayonnaise or anything.
I think I just made it worse.
Thank you, Campbell.
Mm-hmm. Family affair here. Okay, we need to stir it up.
Maybe take that one egg out and we'll put the chopped one in there.
No, where'd the other egg go?
It's
You can
still
chop it with
there.
a spoon.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's just an egg. You think it's got enough liquid in it?
You would have to taste it because I mean I know how I like mine, but it's going to be a different texture than this, so it's going to taste different too. I don't want to.
I like. Oh.
I don't think I was supposed to do that though.
You hold it with your finger and then.
Well, I have plenty more chicken we can put in there if it gets. If you think it's getting too much. Let me taste a little bit of it.
Thank you. Use your. Thank you. That's what I was going to ask. Use the spoon.
Of course. Oh, she had a spoon
That's
ready.
Oh, sorry.
Is it really that hard? It looks like it's hard for you.
Okay.
I'm just asking. I don't know. Is it?
I think it's just the resistance because of the egg.
It can't be.
It's not the egg.
honey.
But you try it since
Hey.
I'm the only one who's pushing
Hold on,
on
let me
it.
see.
I pushed.
Okay. It definitely needs more mayonnaise.
Okay. Well, I wasn't sure, and I don't want to add it because I know.
It's very dry.
Okay.
Okay, do you have more mayonnaise in that?
I do.
Okay. Because I'm scraping the bottom of the bowl there.
It needs more pickle relish.
No, don't use that one.
It what?
It needs more pickle relish.
Uh-huh.
Like, yeah.
So. Oh, excuse me.
This is my relish.
Yeah, I bought relish, realizing, not knowing I
mayonnaise.
had some. So now I have two.
It's better than having none, though.
Here's for the mayonnaise if you need it.
Thank you. I used a little spoon already, but I'll use that if I need to.
Okay. Do we need more mayonnaise out?
Let's try
Well,
this.
I'll scoop the rest of this before you do that. Before you do that.
Me?
Yes, you, because I'm
Oh.
digging in mayonnaise here.
Just trying to.
I'm trying to use the rest of this mayonnaise up, and we'll
That's
mix it
it,
and
is it?
see. You know, she
Oh.
might not have to open another one.
Don't do it yet.
Well, I need one for the. I can't open it anyway. I'm not strong enough.
She's.
Let me see.
Let her. That's not what I was gonna say. I want you
Oh,
to.
you can't get it open either.
Ooh.
I just bought that at the store.
Oh, I'll say, well, hand it over because I know I can get it.
Usually some caveman drunks will help.
Right.
That's what all the rotten is going on here. She's opening things up.
It's a lot easier with two hands.
You didn't have a green lid.
Because it's olive oil, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Oh, I don't know why. Probably the wrong lid.
What?
Try. How
we
Mom
doing?
to do it?
I got my lid spinning. It's because I'm not holding it.
All right. Okay, stop that. We don't want liquid.
It's not going to be liquid.
Oh,
Push it down a little.
It's not going to
didn't
make
go
it.
anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Try not to get it in the hole.
Right. It's okay.
We're gonna rinse it off and clean it.
Yeah. So.
I'm aware of that, but I want that to be still able to. I can't talk. Y'all know what I mean. Get that thingy into the hole.
Okay, so it needs a little pickle relish.
Can we get that out the fridge, please? Thank you.
Oh
wait, you love me.
like Megan.
I got, okay.
in the fridge. I can't find it.
Oh, come on. I am not that bad.
Holding the refrigerator open for 20 minutes. I don't know where it is.
That's not me anymore. I have learned.
You learn not to ask. You just keep looking.
Well, you're not completely wrong.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Can I put a lid on it?
Might as well put the rest of this in there.
And you missed.
Where? Oh, dear. Okay, I'll
All
eat
right, let me
it.
see. Oh yeah, when it gets fuller, it does need.
It's the resistance.
Mm-hmm. Get one of those pieces that we always put the little short thing about that big with the red or the blue lid, and we're gonna put this in it, please, out of that
Those
cabinet.
little plastic containers.
Thank you, Mom. I didn't know what she was.
You can only say plastic containers. This is a Pampered Chef video.
I'm aware. They must not see the container then.
Stir it up.
Right.
I think I need a different
Put
spoon.
a little duct tape on the container so they can't read it.
Oh, I think
And
it's
I said
okay
that-
on
I'm
the
sorry.
counter.
Use some of that tape that's really, really sticky and it's silver.
Yeah, let's take this out here.
Silver tape?
Yes, you got it.
Oh, on the counter.
That's okay.
Okay.
I thought she was going to put it on the
Okay.
plate.
No.
Okay.
No, we're putting it in that bowl you got right there.
Okay.
Now, does this come with a lid so you can put it in the refrigerator?
It does.
As is?
Mhm.
Cool.
You
Don't want them to see the thing here. Shield your eyes, y'all.
There you
Jeez,
go.
Listen to you. Close
That'll
your
work.
eyes. Now I have some crackers out here because we're going to put some on crackers to taste it.
I thought that's what our tongues were for. I was just using a
A
spoon.
spoon.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Get a,
Well, we're not on the.
I'm
It's just our
aware.
hands.
I'm aware.
how much you want on your cracker? How about that?
Plenty. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take about the same amount, please.
Okay.
And gracias.
You're welcome. What's it taste like?
Salad.
Oh, on a cracker.
Smarty pants.
It tastes good.
You need salt.
Mmm.
No?
Rotisseries already has seasoning on it.
That is very good.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious. Mmm. Crackers have salt on them too. They're not salt free.
Can't taste it.
It's delicious.
It's very good.
It gets a thumbs up from me and a score of 10. I like it.
I like it too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So
2 thumbs
I
up.
put the link below for the party in case you've just joined and watched this video. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Make a comment if you'd like. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I guess we'll all see you next time. It's a shame I can't share this through the film and give
Cheers.
everybody a bite because it's delicious. And remember what I said about the booking now. Your party will earn a free product and huge discounts and 10% off any order for a year. And like I said, pass it on the information to your friends. Let them watch the video.
And you can also share the video if you'd like.
How do you share?
You press the arrow that says share on the video.
On the top right of the screen? Is that where it says share? Or is it
Depends
the one
on
in
what
the...
device you're on.
Oh,
Okay.
Well, if you're
If
on...
you're on the phone, it should be right under the video.
Okay.
You can copy the link and share it that way, or you can, if you're on your phone, directly text it to somebody.
Oh,
Copy
okay.
the link and text it.
But there's also, you don't have to copy the link to text it.
okay.
All right.
Well, you ought to know.
Share it with your friends.
Thanks, Julie, for letting me host this party.
Thank
See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, I really thought for all intents and purposes I was done. I went ahead, I cleaned it up. It was really, really fast to clean up. You don't put this in the dishwasher. This has to be hand cleaned. The blades and the bottom can be put in the dishwasher. But I want to go ahead and chop up those leftover onions. So that's all that's in here. And it's doing such a fantastic job. I wanted to show you that it really minced these up to this consistency, which this is how I like to have it when I have my eggs, when I do like an omelet, or I just throw a little bit of eggs and some spinach and onions together, and I really, really like the way that pulverized that. So that's what I wanted to come back and tell you real quick because I just wanted to do one thing in it by itself. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.